Alright. Kind of hard to open with this thing, but these are just mystery blind bags. So, anyways, I'm gonna open up all of them. So, yeah. Anyways, let me open this first. Open another one, and open the third one. Oh boy, I have a feeling this is gonna go wrong. Alright, let's see if this goes well. Because of this, I have nothing to say. So, anyways, open up the first one and that's what I wanted. A turtle cat. And then and now, oh great. Sorry about that. Is this some sort of a meh, whatever. And now the last one. Another duplicate. Hey. Like, wait, hold on. There's one more left. Eesh, that's creepy. Whatever. But hey, since I got two, I could hit these things. Well, you know, like, wait a minute. Spending the rest of the time in Foxy's egg. Huh?